Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you the Born Pretty reflective gel set, and this time I'm going to do a color over this white, all these white tips. I'm going to try that reflective gel polish over the entire thing to make a set, and right now I'm going to do the base real quick. And this is the color here. Isn't that beautiful? That's the color right there. These are definitely great for summertime because when it's sunny out, these colors catch every little bit of light possible. It is so beautiful. So I'll let you watch and I will pop back in a little while. So you can see how sheer it is over a white. You can definitely do this over a natural clear nail, and it's really pretty, especially if you just want a simple look. You can do one coat, and if you want that thicker look to it, you can see that I did do two coats on there. It is a little thicker, but again, this is over white, so you can do it either way. They're really pretty even over clear. So I'm going to go in with this crown, and I'm going to use that Born Pretty jewelry glue. It holds the chunkier charms really well, and I used it also to use with these stones. And I've been wanting to use these sticky foils. They're really pretty. They have that iridescent hollow look. So I wanted to try it over here on the thumb and see what it would look like. It's actually really pretty. I like them.
Squidward's a maniac. He'd kill SpongeBob and Patrick if it was the last thing he did. SpongeBob was a book, it would be 1,000 pages long. And then
So this is the finished look for this reflective gel polish by bornpretty. I hope you really like this set. If you're interested in the link for this gel set, I will have it down in the description box. If you're interested, you can grab it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and like my videos. It really helps me out, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next videos. I'll talk to you again in the next video. Thanks guys for watching.